In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your order on Vinted. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your orders and follow their delivery status from start to finish. I'll guide you through the website on a computer, and the process is very similar on mobile. First, open your browser and go to vinted.com. If you aren't automatically signed in, make sure you're using the account you placed the order with. Otherwise, you won't see the right information. Keeping Vinted open in a single tab helps you compare details quickly. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner for the profile icon. It might show your avatar or a generic person silhouette. Click it to open your account menu. This is where Vinted keeps shortcuts to your personal sections, so it's the quickest way to get to your purchases. From that menu, choose My Orders. This takes you to your orders dashboard. Here, Vinted lists your recent activity and gives you access to tracking. The page loads with your most relevant orders at the top, so newer items are usually easiest to find. To track an order, locate the item you're waiting on and open it from this page. You'll see the current status along with tracking updates provided by the carrier when available. Look for timestamps, shipment progress, and any delivery estimates. If the seller has just shipped, it may take a short time for the first scan to appear. Refreshing the page later can help. At the top of this area, you'll notice filters for all in progress, completed, and canceled. All shows every order, which is useful if you're not sure where something went. In progress covers items that are being prepared, shipped, or on the way. Completed lists orders that have been delivered and finalized. Canceled groups anything that didn't go through. Switching between these views makes it easier to narrow down what you're looking for. You'll also see sections for bought and sold. Bought is where you track items you're receiving as a buyer, while sold is for items you shipped to someone else. If you use Vinted both ways, make sure you're in the right section before searching for a particular package. That's it. Go to vinted.com, open your profile menu, click My Orders, and use the tracking details and filters to follow every delivery. If a status hasn't updated yet, give it a little time for the carrier to scan the parcel. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.